Hey, so in this video I'm going to cover the history feature. So the history options allow you to undo your last change or up to the last 10 changes using this summary view, or from looking at the full set of changes you can restore up from 50 or more changes ago. So it's actually configurable, the number of history points that Microthemer will save. I'll just show you how to do that now. If you go to Preferences, and then it's this option here. So you can set that to 300 is the maximum, and then Microthemer will keep a log of your last 300 actions you did. So it's quite useful to have the, if you want to make heavy use of rolling back to either the last save or a few saves ago, you find yourself using this feature a lot, it's useful to just dock these settings to the right. So I'll also show you how to do that. If you go to View, you can choose it with the large or extra large preset. You get this settings pane docked to right by default, but if you want to explicitly set that, it's this option here. So that will undock it, or we can click it there to dock it, and then the website goes up to the left edge of it. It's always going to be visible. Okay, so let's just talk a little bit about what you get here. So Microthemer always creates a backup of your settings whenever you create a new version. So there's actually a strangely high number of these version change updates here. That's just because as I'm recording these videos, Microthemer is still in beta, so there's little things I keep fixing along the way as I notice. But it generally will show you, mostly it'll be things like style changes listed here, like saying the font size to 32 pixels or whatever. And so you click this restore button just to jump back to that point in time. And with the full table of revisions, you've also got an extra option where you can save restore points. So, say this 32 pixel save was significant to me, and I was about to branch off and try something new. Maybe I wanted to go back. I could save this, and then even if I've made 50 changes or more than the limit set, this history option will always stay. So that's useful for trying out new designs. Finally, we can reset everything. If you've started making some changes with Microthemer and actually you just want to delete everything, rather than going through, I haven't actually got any folders here, let me just save this selector, but here we go. So rather than going through and individually deleting folders or selectors, you can just reset everything here. Yeah, I think that covers everything I wanted to talk about in this video, so thank you very much for watching.